Namaskar, all educators, principals and stakeholders who have gathered here today. NEP 2020 is not just a document, it is a movement and it is aimed at transforming India's future. We know that at the heart of this transformation is the teacher. You are the ones who shape the curiosity, the values, confidence of our next generation. And to support you in this vital role, we are rolling out two historic initiatives. First is NPST, the National Professional Standards for Teachers, and very importantly, the National Mission for Mentoring. The NPST is designed to be your professional companion, to provide a clear framework for your career growth, to recognize your efforts, your excellence, and defining standards that align with quality and equity. Complementing this is NMM. We believe that a critical way for a teacher to grow is by learning from peers and mentors. Of course, this equally applies to everyone in the school ecosystem. And I believe that schools must be open. We must encourage interface between schools and people who have achieved in all walks of life. Encourage them to engage, create a sense of community within and around the school. NMM creates a structured platform to harness that vast experience and expertise that already exists in our economy, in our society and our system. And it is about strengthening professional collaboration and building a supportive culture of openness in our schools. I believe that mentorship is a two-way street of learning. And I'm happy to share that I have also personally enrolled as a mentor under NMM. And I'm looking forward to interacting with you, with sharing some of my own experiences, and most importantly, learning from your journeys and your insights. I urge every principal and teacher joining us to actively engage with these initiatives, to take ownership of them. They are designed to empower you, they are designed to engage with you at a deep level, and to implement NEP 2020. Please participate in NPST and NMM and take them forward. I wish you resounding success for today's workshop. Thank you.